Welcome back, guys, to David's Garage. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please guys subscribe and like the video. All right, today I'm bringing you to finally what I've been waiting for. Is a tire upgrade from 245 40 19s. We have upgraded to 265 40 19. Let me show you the difference here. All right, guys, as you can see on the right, that's my old tire, which was the 245 40 19s. On the left, you have 265 35 19. Now, I've purchased these tires from Discount Tire. Unfortunately, they did kind of mess up on this part a little bit. They ordered the 35 instead of the 40. Now, on this next picture, I will be showing you side-by-side comparison of the correct tire, which is a 265 40 19. You can see the difference here on the height. Now, it's a big difference on the width from my old tires, as you can see, and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. Pretty much we had these in the rear before. You can say they were 245 40 19s. You can see the profile here, the width. And now, more chunkier, beefier 265 40 19 Pirellis. Of course, run flat. Yeah, they make quite the statement. If you look at it from the side or the rear, a lot wider stands now. They look a lot better on the vehicle. Gives it a, to me, it gives it a little bit more of a sportier look if you're looking at it from the rear. Let me know what you guys thought on that. But yeah, better grip on the road. I don't know, I feel like acceleration for some odd reason, maybe because of the grip that is catching now. It accelerates a little quicker now. There we go. Now, one thing I will have to say, what I had before was 8-inch width rim. Now, upgrading to 265, you will have to purchase a new rim. Of course, a set. Now, this one is 9-inch wide. Yes, just that 1 inch made that big of a difference. I could upgrade to 265. With 8-inch wide rim, I could not have done this upgrade. So definitely you guys will have to buy a 9-inch or even go up to a 10-inch wide rim. We'll share a link. I bought these off of Amazon. Really, really good price. And they're pretty much identical to the factory original rims right here. Look at this. Cannot even tell the difference. Now, one thing, they will come, of course, they're brand new, so it's going to have a little shine to it. So you'll probably most likely have to get the front rims, maybe just clean up a little bit, and they should match up pretty well. And it was pretty easy to just pull out this little cap right here, install into the new rim, so that's no biggie. Another thing, you will have to get a new set of lug nuts for these. The factory lug nuts will not work on these Amazon rims, so you'll have to buy a new set, but that was no worry. Just got these installed at a local tire shop, and they were actually pretty reasonable, 70 bucks, and we were good to go. So there you have it, brand new 265s, run flats on the Mercedes E300 2018. Let me know your thoughts on this. Like I said before, please subscribe. A lot of you guys watch the video but don't subscribe, so that's going to help me out a lot. It'll motivate me to do more videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.